Hello students, welcome back. In this session we are going to discuss about how to find the center of any of the objects. These are some of the regular polygons and circles, and these are the 3D objects. For this 3D objects also we can find the center of the object. So today's session we are going to find center. So finding center for objects. Already I have drawn some objects over here. So for this object we are going to find the center by using drafter and other instruments. Finding center for square, rectangle and rhombus would be very easy because they have corners, and we can draw the diagonals directly for that object. Diagonal, and this would be exact center of the object. For finding out or checking the center of that, I'll be drawing a circle inscribed in this. So here you can see the point which we have found out the center of this object is exact center, and we can inscribe a circle inside any object, or else we can inscribe object in the circle itself. For this I am measuring the half of the diagonal, half. Here you can see exact center, and for these objects like rectangle also you can find the center. And in this also we can inscribe the circle, but it won't be meeting this ends, this edges, only two edges would be meeting for this point. And you can inscribe your regular polygon, that is rectangle, inside the circle also. Now I'm finding out the center for the rhombus. For this I'm taking diagonal, same manner. Right, next, how to find the center for any of the triangle. From this end, this corner, just draw the perpendicular to the opposite, and from this also just draw the perpendicular. For that I'll be measuring the half of this side. The side is 40 and I'm measuring 20 for this exact. Right now I can measure this and draw perpendicular. This would be the center of the triangle. If you want to check it, you can check it for the third side also. Make it half and draw the perpendicular to the opposite corner. Perpendicular. You can get the exact center for this. And we can get the outside circle also for this object. Means we are inscribing and subscribing the circle inside and outside of the polygons. Now how to find the center for the pentagon? Same method what we have followed for the triangle also. Just we'll make it half. The side of this pentagon is 3, so half is 1.5. So I'll be drawing a perpendicular for this direction, and for this also I'm drawing a perpendicular half. I'm joining to this corner. This would be the center of this pentagon. And in the same manner, you can draw the circle outside of the pentagon also. Right. Now, how to find the center of a circle? For this, we have any corners or sides, but for the circle, we don't have any of the sides or corners. For this, easy method is to draw a chord of any length your wish and make it half. Making it half, I have taken the 40, the length of the chord, and I'm making half 20, and just draw a line. Next again, or at any direction, here or here or here, just take another chord. I'm taking another chord here, a 30 mm, the chord length, and make it half, 30 by 2 half, this, and draw the perpendicular from that, and wave the intersection of these particular perpendiculars of the chords. That would be your center. For checking that, you can check with the compass, right? The circle radius I am be getting over here, and I don't think that we require any of the circle inside the another circle or outside the circle. If you want, I can draw the concentric circles inside this. This circle is parallel to this one and concentric. Even we can draw further or outside also. Concentric circles. Next, how to find the center for any of the hexagon? Just because these are even in number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and because these are odd in number, that's why we have drawn perpendicular bisector or perpendiculars from the sides here, here and here. But we don't require any of the perpendiculars because we have opposite corners, same like square and rectangles and rhombus. Directly we can draw the diagonals. The meeting of the two diagonals would be the exact center of this one. Right, inside and outside also you can draw the circle. So in this manner we can find the center of any of the figures. Similar for this one also, because these are also even in number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 octagon. Directly we can draw the diagonal. And this is the center. Inside, outside. Next, how to find the center for any of the solid objects? We have to locate exactly at the center for this and middle of that. For this, we have to find the axis line first, because axis line is the line passing at the center of the object. For this, I'll be checking the axis line. So side I have taken 30, so I'll be making 15. This also side 30. I'll be making it 15 over here, and over here also at the top position also, but I have forgotten bottom position. I have to locate here also. So we have found out the points for axis. This axis line, I'll be finding the axis for this also. The diameter of the cylinder is 30, so I'll be making it 15. So I'll be getting the direct center point for this. So I'll be finding out the center for this. Just measure this. This is 30. So half. This would be this center for this solid. For this solid, just measure this axis. This is 5. So half of the 50 is 25. So this is the center for this object. So you can find any object center in this manner. I hope everyone understand this technique, how to find the center of any of the object. So subscribe the channel and follow the channel for upcoming drawing videos. Thank you.